Having spent 30 years in podiatry, treating children, and I've noticed every decade they were getting less fit, less mobile. We've thought about it for some time, and that's how we came up with the idea of taking sort of exercises to the schools to get children fitter and to make them stronger and improve their balance for the long term, so they don't hopefully have so many problems in the future.
The children have responded really well to the animation. They are engaged, they really enjoy doing it. They especially love the quick change superhero pose, and I'm reminded daily, are we doing quick change? So it's been fab. It does fit into the new curriculum because the area of learning of health and well-being promotes physical activity, improving energy levels and mood levels, and I think quick change encompasses all of that.
It's improved physical development by obviously initially not having the ability to do the pose and the rocking and the balancing and different things, and the children were succeeding by the end, so yeah, definitely.
We went through many different schemes of animation. We ended up coming with the one we've got for quick change, and we're very pleased with that now.
I show this to the children on a daily basis just before we're going for dinner. So we pack up and then we're all focused and we're ready to go with our quick change activity.
Initially, I think they were a little reluctant being in the unknown, and then by the end, they were asking, could they do it?
We want to basically get this in every school in Cardiff and Vale first, and hopefully in every school in Wales. And if we can instill the fun exercise at this age, it means they'll go on to do more exercise and find it fun, and they'll obviously get fitter and stronger, and it's got to be good for the future generations.